Why am I in here? Who are you? Some little kid tries to kill some dragons.
Go on, Hiccup.
Are you that guy who protects us? Wait.
What is he doing?
It's okay.
Wait, you're the one who captured the Night Fury. I remember you now.
I'm not one of them.
So you're helping me?
Stop the fight. No! I need you all to see
You
this.
look helping the
They're
dragons.
not what we think they
Can you
are.
try to help us?
We don't have to
We
kill
can-
them. I said stop the fight!
Oh no. Ah! Hiccup, come here, you!
Out of my way!
I gotta help Hiccup. Come here, you! I'm coming for you! Ouch! You!
This way!
Come here, you! No! You're gonna die for this. Hiccup! Get out of me! You're biting me! Don't you ever talk to me!
Night Fury!
Don't ever, you pissed! Get me out! Get out of here! Fine, I'm leaving. Hiccup, what are you doing? What in the world are they doing?
No, Dad! Dad, he won't hurt you!
You! Down, excuse me, coming through, pardon me.
Toothless, stop!
Hold still.
No.
What do you mean, Hiccup? Ow! My face! Get off me!
Oh, no, please, just don't hurt him. Please don't hurt him.
Get free! What are you gonna do to me?
Put it with the others.